Hello, welcome back to Off Grid Style. I'm Nikki, and I am so glad as always to have you here. Today we are discussing 10 household items that you can use as survival gear. These are things that you have around your house that you can use anytime, anywhere for survival gear if SHTF happens or any other major emergency or disaster happens. These are things that we all have in our homes. So let's find out what those top 10 items are. Let's get started. Today, we're discussing 10 household items as survival gear, and there will be 2 bonus items at the end of the video. In the world of survival and preparedness, resourcefulness is an invaluable skill. Oftentimes, it's not just the gear you have, but how you use it. Household items, which you may have overlooked in the past, can prove to be indispensable tools for survival during an SHTF situation. We will look at 10 items that can double as survival gear, and there will be 2 additional bonus items at the end of the video. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, liking, and commenting. Thank you. First up are heavy-duty garbage bags. Trash bags are way more than just a place to put your trash. They can be used as makeshift ponchos, rainwater collectors, or even as shelter. You can simply cut a hole in the bottom of the bag for your head, and you've got a waterproof outer layer. And of course, we have to include duct tape. Duct tape is the legendary multi-tool of the tape world. It really could have its very own video. Duct tape can repair gear, secure tarps for shelter, or create cordage when needed. Now we're going to discuss chapstick. Beyond keeping your lips moist, chapstick can prevent blisters when applied to friction-prone areas. Chapstick can also act as a fire starter when used with a cotton ball. Now let's look at hand sanitizer. Besides keeping your hands clean, its high alcohol content makes it an effective fire starter. Just a small amount of kindling can help you ignite a fire. Aluminum foil also has many survival uses. A versatile cooking tool, aluminum foil can be used to cook food directly over an open flame or to construct simple cooking vessels. A couple more examples of aluminum foil's versatility include using it as insulation in a tent or sleeping bag and as a reflective signal device. Dental floss. Dental floss, with its high tensile strength, can serve as a makeshift fishing line or repair thread for gear. It can also be used for sewing and creating snares. And how about paper clips? These humble office supplies can be transformed into fishing hooks, lock-picking tools, or even makeshift fasteners for gear repairs. Among many other uses, paper clips can be straightened, sharpened, and then utilized as a small fish spear or as a splint for a finger that needs to be immobilized. Pantyhose are another great household survival item. They are surprisingly useful in the wilderness. Pantyhose can filter water, serve as a ghillie suit for hunting or concealment, and even act as improvised tourniquets. Pantyhose are also a multi-purpose item. A few other uses in survival situations include as a strainer, storage bag, an arm sling, a fishing net, and for tying and securing items. Tin cans. Once you've enjoyed their original contents, tin cans can be repurposed for cooking, water storage, and signaling. They make durable and versatile containers. Tin cans can also be used for rainwater collection, and with a little ingenuity, they can be made into cutting tools, improvised weapons, and they can also be used to create a solar still. And of course, we can use coffee filters. These can be used for water filtration to remove debris or as a pre-filter before using a more advanced water purification method. In a pinch, they can also act as tinder to help start a fire. Coffee filters can also be used as air filters to wrap food in for steaming and as a compress when soaked in water or an antiseptic solution. And as promised, here is bonus number 1 for household items to use for survival. Hygiene products. Not to be overlooked, personal hygiene products like tampons can be used as wound dressings, and wet wipes can substitute for bathing when water is scarce. Tampons can also be used as fire tinder and as earplugs. Panty liners are great for pre-filters to remove larger particles before purifying water. And bonus item number 2, household items that can be used for survival. And that item is salt. Salt is essential for flavor, but it can also help in preserving food or purifying water. A pinch of salt can even relieve cramps or help with dehydration. Salt can also be used as a gargle for sore throats, and it can be used as an abrasive cleaner. These are only a few of the household items you can use in an SHTF situation. Some others include rubber bands, straws, pencils, utensils, Ziploc bags, bed sheets, and saran wrap. Creativity and resourcefulness will come in handy finding household survival solutions. It's a reminder that true preparedness often involves looking at what you already have from a different perspective, transforming the ordinary into the extraordinary. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video on the 10 items that you have in your house that you can use for survival in an SHTF or emergency or disaster situation. Please, as always, I love to hear from you, so comment and I will always answer you back. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell because I do fun things like quizzes every single morning to test your knowledge of survival, SHTF, homesteading, etc. So they're kind of fun. Like, comment, subscribe, notification bell, and I'll see you again soon. Thank you.